All right, so I'm gonna take a picture of my eye right after doing that.
My name is Jason Brown, and I'm an assistant professor teaching stream in the Department of Biological Sciences at the University of Toronto Scarborough. For the past few winters, I've been teaching a laboratory course in animal physiology. Typically for this course, students complete a 3-hour in-person lab exercise each week. However, many of these in-person lab exercises require that students work together and share equipment, which is not possible given the physical distancing requirements due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Rather than canceling the course, we decided to offer the course in an online format. Fortunately, every single one of my students has access to their very own research animal, themselves. So I decided to design a series of at-home experiments that students could conduct using themselves as research subjects.
This week we're testing if our response to stress changes when different types of music are played.
So we're going to be using the Stroop color word test. This test is shown to be an indicator or inducer of stress. We're going to take pictures of our pupils and our irises pre the test and then post the test. And we're going to do the test 6 different times. 5 times listening to 5 different types of music and one time in silence. Right? Definitely my favorite type of music so far. Classical music made me feel a little bit more stressed. All right, so I'm gonna take a picture of my eye right after doing that.
What I really like about this approach to online lab courses is that the students are coming to realize that science does not need to be solely confined to the research or teaching lab, and it doesn't always require sophisticated and expensive tools to be conducted. Fundamentally, science is about asking interesting questions and designing well-controlled experiments to answer those questions. It's a process in which every citizen can participate in some way if they desire. Even if my students learn nothing more than that by taking this course this semester, I would still be delighted, because it would mean that they had come to see science as approachable and as part of their everyday existence.